Well, my got some new wheels for my. I have an Atlas Jeep 40 locomotive. I bought used off eBay. I noticed the wheel sets. I don't know if we can see that, but some of the plating is actually coming off of them. They're pretty wore out. I already cleaned them, but they're kind of wore out. So I got some new wheel sets for it, and we'll see if probably change those out right here. I'm assuming these are gonna work. I don't know. It was hard finding any wheels for this locomotive, so we're gonna find out. I don't. My dad has a nice foam cradle, so I don't have one here. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. I know I've done some of these before. I think you can just pop off the. Let's see. Just little tabs you can. Pop off the gearbox here. Got gears ordered for another locomotive of mine too. Found out it had split gears in it. Alright. Well, yeah. Whoever owned this locomotive, this used the crap out of it. Sorry about the lighting. I still gotta get some better lighting yet. Let's compare. I don't know if it'll focus. Probably not. So, because they run the power pickups off the end of the wheels. The gears look identical. So, these probably will work. Once I get these installed, we can run the train around. Yeah, this wasn't too bad to do in this Atlas. Yeah, I got a Walters Proto. I think I said that earlier in this video. You can take a look at that later. Tried running as soon as I put it on the track, and this locomotive ran really nice. All right, do the other truck here. probably isn't the correct way of doing it. Come on. Luckily this locomotive doesn't have too much details on the roof, so I'm not wrecking anything. Ignore my dirty hands. I was messing with some butyl at work today, and of course you get that stuff everywhere. There we go. You can tell this wheel's really, let's see if I focus here. These ones are pretty corroded. Like I said, I tried cleaning them up. And I got all the black dirt off the wheels and whatnot, but they're pretty tarnished and you can see the plating coming off, so. I always liked Atlas locomotives. I always thought they ran nice. I've got a Jeep 38-2 Atlas Burlington Northern that eventually will convert. All these locomotives you see will probably be converting to Blue Nami or Tsunami, but definitely DCC and sound. I personally like the Tsunami sound quality. They just sound a little bit more like the real locomotive to me. This might be a boring video or whatever, but alright. So now I think we can go ahead and put this on the tracks and test it. Put the white face forward on this. See, some of the handrails need to be re-glued, I see. Alright, give it a shot here. Oh yeah, see if she can crawl. Well, I'd say it's a success. She's running pretty smooth. Now that's just off of one power feed over there. And just relying on rail joiners. I haven't soldered anything yet. So that's pretty good. And off of just a little Bachmann transformer. I'll show you. That's about the level I'm at. But yeah, she's running pretty smooth. The part number, if anyone's interested, that's the Kato part number, and it worked in my my Atlas Jeep 40. I'm not sure the year on that. I'm assuming all Atlases are kind of created that way. I'm not sure. You guys would probably know more in the comments, but if anyone's curious on where, let's see here. So it actually came right from Kato, the Kato website, or Kato, however you want to pronounce it. But yeah, it was the US online store, that's where it came from. But when I get the gears for my Walther's Proto, speaking of which, I don't have that up here. I'll do a video on replacing the wheel sets on that one too, or because of the gears.